Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we are going to learn how to invite a client to join a site on Wix Studio. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Sites on the left. If you're in grid view, like this one, hover over the site that you want to work on and click the Teams icon over here so that you will see your teams pop up. But if you're in the list view, such as in this case, you have a team column and you can just simply hover over the team icon next to the site you want to work on. Now here on this small pop-up, click Manage Collaborators. Now click on Invite Collaborators over here. Input the person's email on this field. Next, scroll down and select the roles you'd like to assign to your client by ticking the corresponding checkboxes. You can select from the roles over here or create a custom role if needed. Once you're done assigning all the roles you need to assign to them, make sure to double check all the info you've input to avoid mistakes. Once all good, click Send Invite here. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Make sure to select a client I create websites for. Then click Done, and an invitation should successfully be sent. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.